In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your Fresha account to Facebook using this comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you're a business owner trying to streamline your online presence or simply looking to make the customer booking experience easier and more efficient, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you accomplish just that. Let's dive in. First, we need to access your Fresha Partner account. Head over to the Fresha Partners dashboard by logging into your account through their website. Once you're in, navigate toward the add-ons section. This is where you'll find various integrations available for your Fresha account, including the Facebook integration we're interested in. After you click on add-ons, you'll see several options. Look for the option labeled View next to the Facebook and Instagram bookings add-on. Clicking on View gives you more details about the features and benefits of this integration. It's always a good idea to understand what you're enabling and how it will enhance your business operations. With the details reviewed, click on Start Now to begin the integration process. This will initiate the setup, guiding you through the process with Fresha's user-friendly interface. This integration will allow your clients to make bookings directly from your Facebook or Instagram page, streamlining the entire booking process. Now, it's time to enable the integration. Hit the enable button to activate the add-on for your account. This is a crucial step as it prepares your account to begin linking with Facebook, ensuring all necessary permissions and configurations are set. Next, it's time to link your desired Facebook account. Choose Continue on the Facebook account you'd like to connect. This step syncs your Fresha account with Facebook, enabling the booking functionalities to be displayed directly on your social media profiles. Once your Facebook account is selected, you'll find yourself prompted to click Next. This begins a series of confirmation steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. Follow through by clicking Next as prompted several times throughout the instructional path. This is simply to help affirm your choices and confirm the settings. Finally, once you go through the sequence of next prompts, complete the process by clicking Done. This finalizes the setup, and your Fresha account should now be successfully linked to Facebook. And there you have it. Your Fresha account is now interwoven seamlessly with your Facebook page, offering your clients an easy, direct way to book your services online. This integration not only boosts your convenience, but also engages your audience more effectively through social media. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your business's digital capabilities. Stay tuned for more insightful how-to guides right here.